Now let's see how we attach a script to an object. Before we do, I noticed something, which is that the name of the script is really unusual. New behavior script is kind of just like the default template out of the box. I'm going to name this something a little bit more direct. I'm going to call this player controller, describing what it's going to end up doing. This colon followed by mono behavior means it implements mono behavior. Mono behavior, mono, one, behavior, self-explanatory, one behavior, is a class in Unity that gives us some functionality meant for controlling simple, basic behaviors in games. So this is good. But there's going to be a small issue. If I pop into Unity, this script is going to update once I save it. It's called player controller, but the script is still called new behavior script. These names need to match. So I have to manually tell Unity to have the same name. Otherwise, we're going to have a bit of a glitch later on. When we create scripts directly like we did earlier, we have to manage this kind of awkward naming idea. I'm going to show you a better way to do it in a sec. I want to be able to control this sphere. I know I don't have any code in the script yet, but before I write the code, let's get things connected. And here is how we're going to see our first example of connecting elements, objects, and behaviors in Unity. If I click on this player controller script, I can actually click and drag, and notice it's going to allow me to let go. And it's now attached the player controller script to this sphere in the world. I can also, if I want to, connect scripts to prefabs, but we're not going to do that just right now. So this sphere now has the script connected. And if I want to open the script, I can just double click on it from here, nice and easy. What if I wanted to avoid this issue of the naming going all wrong? Well, to show you this, I'm going to delete this and let it figure itself out. There we go. And on the sphere, I can actually click. Oh, now the script, see, it's broken. It's missing the script. I'm going to remove this component because now it's broken. I'm going to add a new component, and I'm going to start typing in the script name that I want to create. Player controller. Notice Unity has nothing called a player controller in it yet. The only thing it knows what to do is create a new script. Exactly what I want. I'm going to click new script. There's the name I want. Create and add, and it's going to build this script. It's going to probably drop it in my assets folder, so I just have to drag it into my scripts to keep it organized. It's called player controller in Unity, and when I open it up and let this reload because it's been updated out externally, look at that. The naming has matched up immediately. So adding it directly is actually slightly less problematic. And we're going to be doing this a lot in Unity, adding one thing to another by dragging components on. For now, just get that script attached to your sphere and move on to adding some controls in the next video.